In this video, we'll demonstrate how to heat and custom fit an upper extremity brace from the EXOS bracing system. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll use the Boxer's fractured brace, but the heating and fitting process is similar for all of the EXOS reformable, removable braces. Be sure to review the printed fitting instructions for the specific EXOS brace you'll be applying. To begin, loosen the brace by lifting the BOA knob into the unlocked position. Use the pull tab to simultaneously release both cables to their full extent. Note that pulling only one cable may result in real malfunction. To tighten, push the knob down until it clicks and turn clockwise. Use the pull tab to evenly remove slack from the cable while tightening. To micro-adjust the tension, lift the knob to unlock the cable and retighten as desired. The knob must be in the down, locked position when wearing the brace. The brace is equipped with a Velcro-type release tab that allows the brace to open more fully. Rethread the cable into the hook loop closure when tightening the brace on the arm, like so. To heat the brace, fully extend the cable, open the brace completely, and place it in the EXOS oven. There's no need to preheat the oven, and use of other ovens is not recommended. The proper heating temperature is 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. Follow the heating and operation instructions posted on the EXOS oven. The brace will be properly heated in about 5 minutes, but can be safely heated for up to 15 minutes while the patient is being prepared. Avoid heating the brace for more than 15 minutes. The Boxer's fracture brace is long enough to extend past the fingers of most patients for protection. You can shorten the brace to accommodate various finger lengths or to mobilize the fingers. To determine if the finger length should be shortened, lay the hand along the brace, aligning the wrist and fingers like so. Typically, 1/8 to 1/4 inch of length will be lost when the brace is formed. If the excess length exceeds 1/4 inch, the brace may be cut to length with scissors when warm. Cast shears are often dull and don't work well. EXOS edge tape can be used to cover the cut edges. On subsequent office visits, the brace can be shortened and remolded to a different angle for increased mobility as healing progresses. Remove the brace from the oven. It should be pliable and comfortably warm to the touch. Move quickly so you have enough time to properly mold the 70-degree angle. Open fully and slide it on the arm until the base of the CMC joint or thumb is even with the brace opening. Push the BOA knob down and tighten it just enough to remove the slack. Draw the overlapping edges around the wrist and arm. Do not tighten the brace fully with the BOA reel when it's warm. Use your hands to form and compress the brace properly. Tightening the BOA reel while the brace is still warm will result in uneven forming and wrinkles. You want to ensure that the overlap is smooth, that there are no folds underneath, and that the edges of the overlap are aligned evenly so the brace is not twisted on the arm. Finally, position it by lifting the Velcro-type tab and securing it to the brace as desired over the 4th or 5th metacarpal. Use your thumb and forefingers to simultaneously reduce and hold the fracture while cocking the wrist. Mold the finger portion around the 4th and 5th fingers and align as desired to support the fingers and metacarpal bones. As the brace cools and begins to harden, the BOA reel may be tightened incrementally. Continue the hand-forming process for about 4 to 5 minutes until the brace is fully hardened. Once the brace is hardened, the BOA reel may be tightened as desired. Note that the brace should not be worn too tightly. Allow for some space between the brace and the arm to avoid shear forces to the skin. Adjust the thumb strap position so the webbing section is comfortably snug but not tight to reduce motion and stabilize the wrist. You can also remove the brace from the patient and use a hairdryer to heat small areas and edges to adjust the fit. The brace may be reheated and remolded as needed. Please refer to the fitting instructions included with each EXOS brace for a proper custom fit. Visit DJOglobal.com for more information.